I am Stephanie Bruce, and I'm the Director for Nutrition Services for Palm Springs Unified School District. So our print shop has really elevated the graphics on our menus. They used to be black and white print on a colored paper. Every month was a different color paper. Now it's colorful graphics with a lot of colors and interactive cartoons and fun little tidbits for the kids to do at home. And every school student has on their refrigerator the menu from the school meal program. So we service 20,000 students. That's a lot of menus, and our print shop gets them out immediately. If we have a whim and at the last minute I say, oh, I gotta change something, this team gets it done overnight, and we have them out to our families the very next day. Getting our orders into the system, really easy now. It's all computer-based. We can go right in, punch in exactly what we need. It submits directly to Paul, who then picks it up, and he's working on it within 24 hours. Before it was, well, I need to fill out this 3-part form, and I need to submit it to you, and hopefully you'll get 1 part back so I'll know that you're working on it. So I'd always have to come back and just check to make sure, hey, did you get the form? Did it show up? Do you understand what I meant? This way, it's just quick, it's easy, and if he has a question, he can either walk down the hall or pick up the phone.